Good morning, everybody. Wakey, wakey, Pikachu. Time for some pack openings. And we didn't hit the 10 likes, but I can't really expect that overnight either, so we're just going to open this, the good packs anyway. Why? Because it's my channel and I do what I want. So we'll lay out some of these. One of those. And one of those. And we'll flip. And nothing. Jeez. Well, start off with some Surgeon Sparks. Let's see a Pikachu. Come on, Pikachu. Boop, boop, boop. Give me some luck here. Magmite. Pansear. Oranguru. Paso Berry. Vivillon. Indeedee. It's a Spupa. Oop. Dino. And a Chien-Pao. Whip. Yeah, we'll save Prismatic for last. Why is it these packs always give me trouble? Poltergeist. Move that to the side. Varoom. Wattle. Volbeat. Bug Catching Set. Amber Palm. Aggron. Shinx. Clement. And another Blissey EX. And the most expensive pack. Current pack, I should say. Houndour. Dusclops. Sneasel. Execute. Professor Turos. Scenario. That's what that says. Shaman. Catch and Set. Cypher Maniac. Ogie Dogie. And a Jolteon. Well, no hits this morning either. Come on, we're due for one here. So let's see if we can get 10 likes on this one. If we don't, back to the Temporal, Twilight, and Stellar Crown. This time I'm actually going to mean that. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Join me at my next giveaway at 250 subscribers. Probably a graded card. Who knows? We'll see.